Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making yakisoba. I'm using just one cookbook's recipe, and you can find that by following the link below. For vegetables we used carrot, cabbage and onions, and for our meat we used pork belly. We use the store-bought sauce recommended by Just One Cookbook, just because we were a little bit time poor, but next time I want to try making it from scratch. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a like or subscribe to the channel. Throughout November I'm making a lot of videos around noodles and noodle dishes, so please check out the playlist linked up above. Thanks for watching!